Welcome to an in-depth exploration of one of the most vital yet often misunderstood systems in your vehicle, the Exhaust Gas Recirculation, or EGR system. Designed as a cornerstone of modern engine technology, the EGR system plays a crucial role in both environmental protection and engine performance, working silently to optimize combustion. At its heart, the EGR system is an ingenious engineering solution aimed at tackling a persistent challenge in internal combustion engines: the formation of nitrogen oxides, commonly known as NOx emissions. These harmful pollutants contribute significantly to smog and acid rain, making their reduction a priority for environmental regulations worldwide. The primary function of the EGR system is to reintroduce a controlled amount of an engine's exhaust gas back into the engine's combustion chambers. This might seem counterintuitive at first glance. Why would you put exhaust gas back into an engine designed for fresh air? The answer lies in the gas' unique properties and its effect on the combustion process. One of the main components of this system is the EGR valve. This valve acts as a gatekeeper, precisely regulating the flow of exhaust gases into the intake manifold. Its operation is critical, as the amount of recirculated gas needs to be carefully managed to achieve the desired effect without negatively impacting engine performance. Modern EGR valves are typically electronically controlled, often by the engine's powertrain control module. This allows for highly precise adjustments based on various engine parameters such as engine load, RPM, and temperature, ensuring optimal performance across a wide range of operating conditions. Another crucial component, especially in many contemporary systems, is the EGR Cooler. As the name suggests, this device is responsible for lowering the temperature of the exhaust gases before they are reintroduced into the engine. This cooling step is paramount for maximizing the system's effectiveness. The reason cooling is so important is directly linked to the system's goal of reducing NOx. NOx formation is highly dependent on high combustion temperatures. By introducing cooler exhaust gases, the overall temperature within the combustion chamber is lowered, directly inhibiting the chemical reactions that produce nitrogen oxides. When the inert exhaust gases, which contain very little oxygen, enter the combustion chamber, they effectively displace some of the fresh air and oxygen that would otherwise be present. This dilutes the air-fuel mixture, slowing down the combustion process and, critically, reducing the peak combustion temperatures. This reduction in peak combustion temperature is the direct mechanism through which EGR systems achieve their primary goal of cutting down on NOx emissions. Without these lower temperatures, the nitrogen and oxygen in the air would more readily combine to form harmful nitrogen oxides. Beyond emission reduction, the EGR system can also contribute to improved engine efficiency. By displacing some of the fresh air, especially during part-load conditions, it can reduce pumping losses in gasoline engines. This means the engine doesn't have to work as hard to draw in air, leading to slight fuel economy improvements. In diesel engines, EGR helps reduce NOx by the same temperature-lowering principle, but it also has an indirect benefit. By reducing NOx, it allows for more aggressive timing for fuel injection, which can lead to better fuel efficiency and sometimes even a reduction in particulate matter, though its primary role remains NOx. However, like any complex system, the EGR can face challenges. Carbon buildup from the exhaust gases is a common issue, particularly around the EGR valve and cooler. This buildup can restrict flow or even cause the valve to stick open or closed, leading to various engine performance problems and illuminated check engine lights. Symptoms of a malfunctioning EGR system can include a rough idle, hesitation or stumbling during acceleration, reduced fuel economy, increased emissions, and in severe cases, engine knocking or pinging due to improper combustion temperatures. Maintenance often involves cleaning or replacing the EGR valve and, if present, the EGR cooler. Regular servicing and attention to engine warning lights can help mitigate potential issues and ensure the system continues to operate effectively throughout the vehicle's lifespan. The design and control of EGR systems have evolved significantly. Modern systems are highly integrated with engine management software, employing sophisticated sensors and actuators to provide precise control over exhaust gas recirculation, optimizing its effects for various driving conditions and environmental demands. In conclusion, The exhaust gas recirculation system is a brilliantly engineered solution that tackles a critical environmental problem while also offering efficiency benefits. By meticulously controlling the reintroduction of exhaust gases, it significantly reduces harmful NOx emissions, making our vehicles cleaner and more environmentally responsible. Understanding its function is key to appreciating the sophistication of modern automotive technology.